student, once again welcome in maths class. So today we start our new chapter, chapter number 5, multiplication. Clear? Chapter number 4 we have done. So today we start chapter number 5. Before starting this chapter, here is some points which I am explaining here. When you start your recap exercise, before it you write chapter number 5 and then multiplication and write these 3 points in your fair notebook. Then you start your next word. So the name of that chapter is multiplication. What is the multiplication? It is the process of repeatedly adding the same number. Multiplication means repeating the addition of the same number. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. When we add all these numbers, we get 2 plus 2, 4, to 6 to 8. Clear? It means the repetition of addition of the same number is called multiplication. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is repeated. So we 4 multiply by 2, our answer is 8. Clear? So it is the process of repeatedly adding the same number. 4 2 ja, here 2 is repeating 4 times, so 4 2 ja 8. The next one is product. What is the product? The answer is called the product. Clear? When you multiply the given number, after that the answer which you get, that is the product. For example, 7 2 ja 14. So here you get the answer as 14. So that is the product. Clear? The answer is called the product. The next one is factors. What is the factors? The two numbers that are multiplied are called the factor. It means the two numbers which are multiplied, that numbers are called the factor of the given number. For example, 2 3 ja 6. Clear? Here 2 and 3 both are the factor of 6. Clear? The two numbers that are multiplied are called the factors. Clear? Here 2 3 is 6. Clear? So 2 and 3 both are the factor of your answer 6. Clear? Factors means which when we divide the 6 by 2 is 2 3 is 6 and 3 2 is 6. So before starting your recap exercise, you write all these points in your fair notebook. Now the question number 1 of your recap exercise. Here the question number 1 is, the sports day in the jungle is to be held soon. The rabbit are preparing for long jumps. The rabbit are preparing for the long jumps. Clear? Bunny, Sunny, Manu, Chanu and Tanu are taking jumps on the number line. This is the number line. They are jumping on this number line. Now the question is there, where do they reach? When they jump, where they do reach? Draw the jumps. Clear? We tell here two answer. Where do they reach? वो कहाँ पहुँचते हैं? And the next one is draw the jump. You draw their jump on this number line. The first is bunny. Here 7 multiplied by 2. So how many jumps he takes? 7 jumps he takes and of 2 steps. Clear? So where he reach? He reach at 14. Start from there like 1, then 2. Read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14. Clear? So 7 2 ja 14. So you draw the jump on this number line. Clear? Now the next one is Sunny. He jumped 3 steps. 6 jump his steps. So 6 3 ja 18. Where he reach? He reach 18. Clear? How? It's 1 0 to 3. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 6 ja 18. Clear? So where he reached? He reached at 18. Now the next one is Munu. Here is given 3 3 So 3 3 9. So when he jumped, where he reached? He reached at 9. On this number line he reached at 9 because 3 3 9 here. Clear? 3 3 9. So he reached at 9. So start. 1 3 1 3, 3 2 6 and 3 3 9. In this way, first you write the question. After that, you write this one. Make the number line with the help of your scale, and then write this one Bunny, Sunny, Manu and Chanu and Tanu also. Clear? You do Chanu and Tanu yourself. I am making here only 3 numbers line. Clear? So the question number 1 is clear. Now the question number 2, find the product of each of the following. Clear? Here we will find the product of given parts A, B, C and D. For this one beta, first when you start this chapter, before it you revise your table. Clear? So part number A, we read the table of 8. 8 5s are 40. 5 4s are 20, 6 2s are 12 and 9 4s are 36. Clear? So in this way we write the answer here. That's why you revise your table before you are starting your question number 2. Now the question number 3, for each of the following the product is given. Here the product is already given. We know na? When we multiply the two numbers, the answer we get, that is the product. So here product is already given. Clear? Fill the missing number. We will fill here the missing number. Clear? Product is given. We will fill the missing number. So how you do? You read the table of 5 and then look where you get the 25. The first method is this one. The other one, you divide this 25 by 5. It means 5 5s are 25. So read the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. In the same way, we read the table of 6. Where we get 18, then we write that step. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Now 6 3s are 18. The next one is read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Now 3 multiply by which number we get 0. We know very well when we multiply any number by 0, our answer always will be 0. हम जब किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर 0 होगा. So 3 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. And when we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. It means the same number we will get. Clear? So you can check your answer also. 5 5s are 25, 6 3s are 18, 4 2s are 8 and 3 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. So this is your question number 2 and 3. Now the question number 4 of recap exercise. Fill in the blanks and write the product in box for each of the following. Clear? Here we will fill the given blanks and then write the product here. So here is 4 multiplied by which number, then our answer there will be 12. We will solve here. Fill in the blanks and write the product in each of the boxes. Here we write 3 4s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 8 1s are 8 and after that we will do it. Let's see part A, B and C. Now 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. 7 multiply by which number? Then 2 multiply by 7. So 7 multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14, 2 7s are 14. Now 1 multiply by 8 and 8 multiply by 1, both are equal. So 1 8 ja 8 and 8 1 ja 8. Clear? I am repeating here. 4 3 ja and 3 4 ja. Both are same. Clear? The places change only. 4 3 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. The next one is 7 2 ja 14 and 2 7 ja 14. 1 8 ja 8 and 8 1 ja 8. Then this one is 6 7 ja 42. Now 42 multiply by 6. When we multiply 42 by 6, 6 2 ja 12, 1 carry, 6 4 ja 24 and 1 of that 25. It's 252. Here 6 7 ja 42 and 42 multiply by 6, it's 252 beta. But here I think in this part there is mistakes. The solution will be there also. 6 7 ja, clear, and after that equal to dash, multiply by 6 equal to 42. 6 7 ja 42 and 7 6 ja 42. Clear? I think in this D part it is misprint. It's 6 7 ja 42 and 7 6 ja 42. According to the question, this solution is correct. Clear all of you? So you write A, B, C and D part, but in your book it is given like this one. So you follow it. You do like this one. Clear? So this is your question number 4. Now the question number 5, multiply each of the following. Here A, B, C and D part is given. In these parts, what we do the multiply. So 26 multiply by 1. So we read the table of 1. 1 6 ja 6, 1 2 ja 2. Clear? Now 62 multiply by 5. It means we read the table of 5 till 2. Clear? First we read the table of 5 to 2. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. We write 0. Here is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So we write the ones place here and the tens place. This one we write as carry here. Clear? Now after that 5 2 ja 10, 1 carry, 5 6 ja 30. 30 plus 1, it's 31. Clear? 5 2 ja 10, 1 carry, 6 5 are 30, 30 and 1 31 here. Now 185 multiply by 3. So we read the table till 5 here. Clear? So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, like that. Then 3 5s are 15. Clear? It is 15. So we write 5 here. 1 as carry. Clear? Now read the table of 3 till 8. 3 8 ja 24. 24 plus 1 25. It is 25. So we write 5 here. 2 as carry. Now 3 1 ja 3. 3 and 2 5. Clear? Now part number D, 102 multiply by 4. We read the table of 4. So first read the table of 4 till 2. 4 2 ja 8. 4 multiply by 0. We know when we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. 4 2 ja 8, 4 0 0 and 4 1 ja 4. This is your question number 5. Now the question number 6 is find the product. Clear? Here part number A, 16 multiply by 1. We know when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. 16 multiply by 1. 1 6 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1. Like that. Now part number B, 78 multiply by 5. Clear? So we multiply here. 5 8 ja 40. Clear? So we write 0 here, 4 as carry here. 5 7 ja 35. 35 plus 4, it's 39. Clear? So 78 multiplied by 5 equal to 390. That is the answer. Now part number C is here. It's 126 multiplied by 3. You write 126 multiplied by 3. Let's see how we do. 3 6 ja 18. 1 of carry here. 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7 and 3 1 ja 3. So 126 multiplied by 3, it's 378 is the answer. Now part number D. In part number D, 342 multiplied by 2. Clear? So 342 multiplied by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 3 ja 6. Clear? So 342 multiplied by 2, answer is 648. So this is the question number 6. Find the product. You write the given number like this one and then you find the product. Now the question number 7. This is the last question of your recap exercise. Solve the following word problem. So part number A. A chalk box contains 3 chalk. There are 245 chalk boxes. So how many chalk are there in total? It means the question is, in a chalk box there are 3 chalks. In a box there is 3 chalks. एक box में 3 chalks हैं. Clear? And number of the boxes is 245. So what we do, we will tell here then how many chalk are total there. Clear? So in one box there are only 3 chalks. So in 245 boxes we will find more ना. एक box में 3 chalk है तो 245 में ज़्यादा होंगे. So let's see how we will do. We write here. There are 245 boxes. So we write number of boxes equal to 245. Clear? Number of boxes there 245. And then chalk in each box it's 3. Clear? Chalk in each box, that is 3. Number of boxes, total number of boxes is 245. Chalk in each box, it's 3. Now the question is, how many chalk are there in total? So we write number of total chalk. Clear? And you can write also the total number of chalks. Number of total chalks. And you can write also total number of chalks. Both you can write. You can write also that then total number of the chalks. Total number of chalks. It's 245. We will multiply. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 and 1 of carry. It's 13. Clear? Again 1 carry. 3 2 are 6 and 1 7. Clear? 245 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 and 1 13. Again 1 carry. 3 2 are 6 and 1. So total number of chalk is 735. So we will write here. So total number of chalk is 735. Clear all of you? Now the part number B. In a truck there are 450 boxes of mangoes. In a truck, how many boxes of mangoes? 450. If one box has 2 mangoes, so how many mangoes are there in total? The question is there. In a truck there are total 450 boxes. एक ट्रक में 450 boxes मैंगो के हैं. Each box, हर एक बॉक्स में 2 mangoes हैं. Okay, so how many mangoes are there in total? So कितने मैंगो टोटल उस ट्रक में है? It means in boxes में है. Total number of boxes is 450 and in each box there are 2 mangoes. So 450 we will find more. Clear? So for more what we do? We do the multiply. So we write like that the word problem. Mangoes in one box. In one box how many mangoes? 2. Clear? Then mangoes in 450 boxes. 450 boxes in the truck. So 450 multiply by 2. We multiply 2 by 450 like this. So 2 multiply by 0, we get 0 here. 2 multiply by 0 equal to 0. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, and 2 4s are 8 and 1 of 9. Clear? So how many mangoes are there? It's 900. So we write, so total number of mangoes are 900. Clear? So total number of mangoes are 900. Clear? Or you can write also there, total mangoes are there, that is 900. So this is the part number B of your question number 7. Mangoes in one box. Mangoes is 450 boxes. We will multiply. After that the question is there, how many mangoes are there in total. So total number of mangoes are 900. Clear? This is all about your recap exercise